If you just want to rotate any video on your Windows without degrading the video quality, then you can use an app called LosslessCut. So go to Google and type LosslessCut and search. You can download it for free from GitHub. So from the results, select github.com and then scroll down until you get to a section called Table of Contents and then click on download. You could actually buy it from the Microsoft Store, which isn't very cheap, but the developers were kind enough to provide it for free. For Windows, click on 7-zip. This would then start downloading the zip file. Once the download is finished, go to the downloads folder, select the zip file, and then click on extract all, and then click on extract. This would then extract the LosslessCut, open it, and you don't even need to install this app. Just find the application file, which is called LosslessCut, and then double click on it to open it, and then simply drag and drop your video. In order to access the rotate button, click on the toggle advanced view, find the rotate icon, click on it to rotate your video, and once you're happy with your video's orientation, click on the export button, and it would save the file in the same path as the original file, and it would create a new file name. Just make sure it's a different file name, otherwise it would overwrite the existing files without any warning. And then click on export, and very quickly it will finish the export. You should get a success message, and then you can click on show to go to the folder, and along with the exported video file, it creates many other files. Double click on it to open it. Make sure it is working properly. To reduce the clutter, you can select all the bin files and delete them. And next time, after clicking on export, click on keep to tracks. And in order to prevent creating bin files, all you got to do is to change unprocessable tracks to separate files from extract to discard by clicking on it. And then you can close this. And if you will scroll down, you could see more options. One option that I think is important is called preserve all MP4 MOV metadata, which stores data such as GPS, position, etc. You can turn on the toggle in order to preserve them. It's off by default because some video players might not be able to play the video if these extra metadata are also stored in that file. That is why it's very important to play the file after the export to make sure everything is working properly. And if you will click on the gear icon for more settings, you could see how much more options this software gives you. And once you're happy with all of your settings, click on export. Once the export is completed, click on show, and now you can see those extra bin files are not created. Double click on the file to play it to make sure it's working properly, and once you're happy with the quality, then you could delete the original file. If you get this message, it's because you still got the video open in the app, so close the app and then click on try again to delete the original file. And now we were able to rotate and convert our video.